The new M7 was sent off on September 12th and contributed 84% of Aito's 24,468 conveyances in December. Aito, the new energy vehicle (NEV) brand upheld by Chinese tech Goliath Huawei, is seeing requests for the superior M7 keep on developing, notwithstanding conveyances being restricted by creation limit. The new Aito M7 has gathered in excess of 130,000 firm requests in the 4 months since its send-off. Richard Yu, executive of Huawei's Shrewd Vehicle Arrangement Specialty Unit, said in a January 20th Weibo post, Aito is a top-notch vehicle brand sent off by Sarah's gathering with Huawei on December 2, 2021, and has previously delivered models including the Aito M5, Aito M7, and Aito M9. Both the Aito M5 and Aito M9 are accessible in expanded range electric vehicle (EREV) and battery electric vehicle (BEV) renditions, while the Aito M7 is accessible just in EREV variant. The Aito M7 was initially delivered on July 4, 2022. On September 12, 2023, Huawei carried out the new M7 at one of its item send-off occasions, cutting the cost down essentially. Aito presently offers 4 5-seat variations as well as 3 6-seat variations of the new M7, with a beginning value scope of RMB 249,800, 34,700 to RMB 329,800. Aito reported on November 27th that the new M7 had gotten in excess of 100,000 firm requests after 2.5 months on the market. By the finish of December, the new M7 had gotten in excess of 120,000 firm requests, Aito said on January 1st. Aito conveyed 24,468 vehicles in December, with the new M7 contributing 20,611, or 84%, as per figures it reported on January 1st. The brand is proceeding to further develop its conveyance limit, as would be considered normal to surpass 30,000 units in a solitary month from 2024, it said in its January 1st declaration of December conveyances. Prominently, as contest in China's NEV market gets fiercer, model revive cycles are shortening, with a new report expressing that Aito will revive its M7 SUV in the future in the subsequent quarter. Aito is supposed to send off a facelifted variant of the M7 in the subsequent quarter, which will highlight a family plan language on the outside. Neighborhood news source 36KR provided details regarding January 15th. Since the M7 is under a year from the send-off of last year's Revive, the 2024 facelift shouldn't include an excessive number of changes, the report said, referring to anonymous experts. Huawei Aito M7 Help 360 to custom stopping, support mechanical stopping, programmed stopping, and other 160-plus stopping scene. The parking area is packed. Stopping troublesome can undoubtedly manage. There are cross-floor valet stopping help, can consequently head to any floor of the parking spot. Shrewd, recognizable proof straight traffic signals, red lights on programmed slowing down, approvals on programmed driving, so that driving turns into a loosening up thing. The front and back suspension double factor damping damper can naturally change the suspension damping as per the street condition. When the street condition is great, the suspension consequently solidifies and works on the mobility. When the street condition is terrible, the suspension naturally relaxes and works on the solace.